the video for routine 100, which is the one that initializes the game for the headings game. Here it sets the counter to 0 because it's starting. Show answer to 0, which means don't show the answer. Fill the two values that blink with 0, so both for the answer and for your test values, there will be no blinking when it starts. Sets the X jump to 15, that's how much it's supposed to jump each time. Then it sets X to 365, and for I of 0 to 8 down here, that's going to go around 9 times. That's for each one of the letters. It's going to set the X position to this value of X, but each time it goes around, it increases X by 75. This is the starting position where the letters normally would be when it starts. Then it sets J to 0, then for I of 0, and again to 8 for each one of the letters. It's going to go get the ASCII value for each letter and put it in A, and then it can use that to get that pattern from the list of patterns that HTML5PCODE has, and puts that in the pattern at offset J. Well, it changes J by 100 each time. So it's putting the pattern into pattern list of each one of the letters. Then it moves 100 values from list A into pick value. Remember, when the program is saved, it will save list A, but pick value is a work list, and that's not saved. So it has to put the save values into the pick values. Now I've highlighted the rest of this routine 100 for the headings game. It sets SG to the game number. That's going to be used for a seed value down here. And it sets equally likely to 5. There are always 5 options for all the possibilities in the green boxes. And here's where it randomly selects what they're going to be for the answer. It uses the peck action, which means to randomly pick things that are equally likely. And here we know this equally likely is 5. So it's going to get a value and put it in each one of these. But we must remember that for it, it's going to pick a number from 0 to 4. So each one of these is going to get a value from 0 to 4 for the background, the fill type, the option, the dual color, the tall and wide, the movement, and the extra, all are going to get a random value set in them. Then it's going to start and put that also in the array for the answer. Not only are they stored in these variable names, but also in an array. So the first thing it puts in the array is the background, and then the fill type, and the offset of extras at offset 5. Then it sets the value of background, fill type, option, tall and wide, movement, and extra for the player all to 2. So they all start at option 2. Then it says fill numerically the 6 values at picked Y with 2. So it records in array that the player options are all 2. Then it says for I of 0 to 4, it's going to go around 5 times. It's going to get some pictures whose numbers are stored in pick value at offset I. It's going to put the picture number in PS and then go get the picture. And again down here, it's going to go get some other pictures. That is because when it's initialized, it gets the pictures ready so that later on they can be displayed. And then it goes home. So this is the end of routine 100 for the headings game.